how to make ID in Canva. So first, open up Canva. So there are two things here that you can do. You can just start from scratch, or you can just use a template here in Canva. So as for this tutorial, I'm just going to create a ID using the templates. So just click on templates here at the left side, and then search for ID card. And then here, as you can see, there's the option to make it from scratch, or you can just select any of the cards here or templates. So let's say I'm going to use this one. Click on that and then click on customize this template. Now here you can just customize this however you want. Change the colors, change the pictures and the info here, the text, the logo as well. So you can just, for example, I'm going to delete this one and then change it to another photo. You can upload your photo here. So I'm just going to use element here in Canva, for example, like that. And then you can just change this, the name here, and then the position here as well, and then the barcode and the ID here as well. Okay, so once that's done, you can also create the back of the ID here. Okay, so just edit this template however you want to fit the your needs as well. And then you can just click on create here at the top right, and then click on download, and then choose your file type here. After that, you can just click on download and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.